Collections, they can be deal killers in real estate. Good news is we're starting to see some positive and, in my opinion, logical changes to the way that collections are reported for consumers in the United States. Starting in 60 days from now, medical collections will no longer be reported to people's credit reports. And what that means is there's still going to be your normal collections from creditors, like you didn't pay your rent, you didn't pay your cell phone bill, etc. Those aren't going away. But the idea is that medical issues happen. Sometimes there's insurance issues, sometimes there's billing issues, and that medical piece should not penalize people. In my personal career, I've seen probably a dozen times when an 800 credit score borrower has had a minuscule $10 collection that was a mistake, but it dropped their credit by 100 points and they had to jump through hoops to get that deleted. So going forward, thanks to our friends at the CFPB, those medical collections are going to be removed. Let me know if you have any questions.